83 is reopened in northwest Austin after being closed for about 10 hours. Police shut down the northbound lanes of the highway after an 18-wheeler caught fire around 4:30 this morning. You could see the damage it left behind. Repair crews spent most of the day at the scene. Police opened the northbound lanes of 183 around 2:30 this afternoon while the highway was shut down. The city shut down part of Lake Creek Parkway so northbound traffic on the frontage road would not have to stop at a red light. Police